Moon is mind, and when it is bright, full of wisdom, that is Guru Purnima. So every day could be Guru Purnima in your life when you honor what life has taught you. Many times we turn our face the other way around, close our eyes, and go on, gallop on our desires. I want this, and you gallop on the desires, dishonoring the wisdom. See, the giver is giving anyway. He has given you a lot. The second thing you need to do, one is honoring the wisdom. Second thing you need to take up on this Guru Purnima is utilize the gift you have been given. You have been given, bestowed with so many blessings. Use the best blessings that has come your way. You will get more. The giver is tirelessly giving and does not even want any recognition from, and he makes you feel that it is your own. The giver gives you and make you feel that it is your own achievement, your own. The giver has no end, is not tired of giving. The giver gives. The infinity keeps giving you plenty, in abundance. And what we got, we need to put that into good use, better use. You have been given good speech, put it into good use. Don't use your speech in blaming, complaining, saying bad things. You have been given a brilliant intellect. Use the intellect. I don't know why many are so stingy in using their intellect. Like the wine, the older it becomes more expensive and better it seems. I have heard so, I never had wine. Like that, the more you use your intellect, the better it becomes. The more we put it into a good use, sharper and more brilliant it becomes. Don't worry, don't think you will lose your intellect by using it. By not using it, you lose it. Put good use of your intellect. You have a melodious voice, put good use of that. You have strength in the body to seva. So all that we have been given, we should put into good use. And I say good use not for yourself, good use for the society, for the world. The divinity lives in the world. So serving the world is doing the puja to the divine. And honor the wisdom, honoring wisdom, your life gets elevated. And when you realize these two and you become so grateful, when you are grateful and full of so much, that emotion, full of love and devotion, it is so pleasing to the infinity. That is it. So there is a Guru hiding in each one of you, and throw the light of wisdom, do Aarti there to the Guru inside. Aarti, doing Aarti means what? Ecstasy. getting into such an ecstasy with wisdom, throwing light on what life has brought to us. What is real, what is unreal, what's right and what's not right. Why we chose that which is not right. What tempted us to do that. And what is right, and what is wrong. This, you don't have to ask somebody, something inside you tells you, isn't it? Something inside you tells, this is right. Something inside you pricks into, no, this is wrong. Honor that, honor that. Are you all listening? Everybody? So simple.